All right, welcome to another video by Lame Creations, Log Analysis Made Easy. If you are having problems installing a Debian file or an RPM file or getting it off your system, we're going to give you some tricks and tips to help do that. All right, if we go look here, I have downloaded this Debian file. It's the same concept for an RPM file. Just use a slightly different command. You use yum instead of dpackage. We don't have, if I look ls opt, there's nothing there. We don't have anything in there. So we're ready to install. I prefer to install using a tard file. But if you choose to use the Debian or you already have it, then this is how you're going to do it. So we're going to go sudo dpackage -i Splunk. Right, it completed. We saw that it unpacked and then set up, and then it was complete. Now if I go to opt, we can see that there's Splunk. If I were to go look, it's owned by Splunk. So I'm guessing it set up everything. We have Splunk installed. Now how do we get it uninstalled? Well, we'll jump back to my lame quick guide. Again, you can grab this on your phone. There'll be the link below. Put on your phone, put on your computer, whatever you want. It's a really quick, helpful tool for me to remember everything. I'm going to go to quick references, common Splunk Linux commands. Going to jump in there. There's my dpackage -i for the Splunk software, yum for this RPM. What we're wanting to do is we want to remove the Splunk package name, but I don't know the name, so I'm going to run this apt list --install pipe grep -i Splunk command. That way I can find the name of the package and put it here. So let's do that. We'll jump over here. We'll shrink the screen, move over here. We're going to do apt list tac installed grep -i Splunk. It tells me that the package is named Splunk/now. All right, so if I want to install it, I'll just put that in there. Let's do it the right way. In the ideal world, you're going to shut Splunk down. So let's go ahead and shut it down. Technically, you don't have to shut Splunk down when you uninstall, but it's a lot better if you do. All right, Splunk is not running. We'll run this grep -i. It doesn't change anything. It's still 9.3. apt remove Splunk/now. Easy way you can do it. You could copy it if you want and then place it right there. Apt remove. Are you sure you want to do this? So now that that's uninstalled, I can go to, we're going to rm-rf Splunk. Splunk is gone. The last thing I want to do is make sure that the boot start is off. Can't really start if it's not there, so we're going to do systemctl list unit files grep -i Splunk. And we can see the Splunk D service and Splunk service. So let's go ahead and just turn that off. Systemctl disable Splunk.service. We don't need to do Splunk D service because it's an alias of Splunk service. So if we take one, the other one should go. And if we run that again, we're good. It's uninstalled. It's done. All right. That is the basis for how to install with an RPM or a DEB file and how to remove it. Hope that helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, pass this around to your friends. If you want to if you want to support the channel or you want access to a on-demand Splunk training, become a member. We have a large libraries of videos for you to watch on how to do system administration, how to do Splunk SPL commands, the whole gambit to help you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja. Hope you keep coming back.